Hey, Patrick here, and I wanted to say hi and let you know that, maybe a lot of you people out there might be sick and tired of being a landlord. And it's understandable. Maybe you are sick and tired of horrible tenants that you have to deal with. Maybe you're sick and tired of vacancies and home repairs and things like that that are robbing your ROI and stealing from your time. And so, there's a lot of folks out there that own rental properties or that have money and want to buy rental properties and don't even know the trouble they're getting themselves into quite yet. I'm not steering people away from owning rental properties. I think it's a great way to create wealth and also creates tax shelters. But what I will tell you is this. Just here in this little neighborhood, and I'm going to show you in just a moment, did you know over 90% of the houses have a mortgage or mortgage note? Means somebody had to go get a loan and create a note, which is just terms of a loan, in order to buy their house they wanted to buy. And all of the houses that have notes or loans on them are collateral. If the notes aren't paid by the terms of the note or loan, the house is the collateral. It gets foreclosed upon. And let me just show you what I mean here. I'm going to flip this screen around. There you go. So you just take a look. This is what I mean. Look at all these houses as I drive through this neighborhood here. And you will see each and every one of these houses, at least over 90% of these houses, have a mortgage loan or a note, meaning somebody is making a mortgage payment and paying interest. And that means also there's somebody on the lender end of that, isn't there? There's somebody that lended money for somebody to buy these homes here, and they are the ones collecting the interest and monthly payment when that payment gets made. There, flip my screen back, but that's what I mean. And so you're on one end or the other. Let me roll my window up here. I'm gonna drive and let you know, but you're on one end or the other. You are either paying a mortgage payment with interest or collecting a mortgage payment with interest. But for most people that are landlords and are doing that right, didn't even know the fact that you could be the bank instead of being a landlord. They didn't know the fact that you could collect monthly payments with interest, the real estate being your collateral, right? But not having to worry about all of the struggles that come along with some for being a landlord. For some people, being a landlord is like having an extra job. And so I was urging people that to do what I did. And I would say to sell brick and mortar right now, what we believe is the height of the market again. And sell your brick and mortar while you can, while there's a lot of value in it, and cash in. What you can do with that money in notes is amazing. So I'm reaching out to all the people out there that are frustrated landlords. Maybe you're sick of all of that. The toilets, the termites, the trash, the bad tenants, the vacancies, the ROI not being what you thought. All of those things happen to some people when they become landlords. And of course, you guys out there that are having major success as landlords, golly, keep on going. Keep on doing it. And I wish you all the best. But those folks out there that are frustrated, reach out because, at my website, which is the notementor.com, which is all created just to tell the average person, just to tell the average Joe out there that note investing is available. It's something that you can do, just like buying Bitcoin or buying gold. You can buy someone's mortgage. And this doesn't have to be on a $500,000 house, and you don't have to have a ton of money to get in. But what I mean is, having your money grow at a steady yield without the headaches of being a landlord and without the liabilities of the physical property is a pretty neat thing. So on my website, thenotementor.com, you will find that there's a link for coaching. We're trying to provide the best value in the industry so that normal folks out there, and specifically in this video, people that are landlords that are frustrated with being landlords, that would rather be a loan lord, can get some coaching on how you can do this. You can kind of use our systems and see exactly how we do what we do with mortgage notes. And you can be a part of a tribe and a training group. So go to thenotementor.com, and there's a link to click on the coaching. And it's called the Millionaire Maker Coaching Group. My partner Desi and I offer tons and tons of value. Okay, so go there and learn what you can do to become a loan lord rather than a landlord, and make your life a little bit easier. This is Patrick. I'm signing off.